Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming system and Steam basics. Open Steam settings and pick your microphone as the input device. Make sure Windows or Mac OS privacy allows mic access. Once done, launch Tf2 and match the in-game voice input to the exact device Steam uses. If you need immediate testing, disable push-to-talk and speak to see VU meters move. You do this because mismatched device selection or privacy blocks are the most common reasons voice fails, and correcting them first saves time. Next, you dig into Tf2 audio controls to tune how voice behaves. Open Options, go to Audio, and enable voice chat while setting voice volume to around 80 to 100% so people hear you clearly. Then adjust voice threshold and voice boost to avoid constant gating from background noise. Small increments are best. Once configured, use the play voice or test with a friend to confirm both sending and receiving audio. This stage fixes most middling volume and noise issues by balancing sensitivity and amplification. To finish, you perform final verification and a practical troubleshooting tip. Confirm your OS default recording device matches Tf2 in Steam and check app-specific microphone permissions. If voice still fails, restart Steam and Tf2. Sometimes a full reboot clears driver locks. Reinstall or update your audio drivers if the device misbehaves. If people still can't hear you, try a different USB port or test the headset on another machine to isolate hardware. That single swap often reveals whether the problem is software or the headset itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.